Just want to capture some of the reservoir out here. It's just beautiful. It's like, again, it's a blessing to be out here today. All right, since this is on, I'll capture the little staircase down to the reservoir, as I call it. I take some liberty in some of the little mini trail names. I hope my viewers don't mind. Mountain biking out here for 15 years. I figure that gives me the right, the privilege. Gonna get about 11.5 to 12 miles in today. Not bad in this heavy snow. Capture some of the reservoir on the way back. It's beautiful. All right, GoPro, stop recording.